Cashmere is often called the king of fibers, and for good reason. Its unmatched softness, lightweight warmth, and luxurious texture make it one of the most sought-after materials in the world. Despite its widespread popularity, cashmere remains rare and exclusive, with even a single garment commanding hundreds of dollars. The secret to its value lies in the source and the process. Cashmere originates from a special breed of goats living in the high-altitude regions of the Himalayas, Mongolia, and parts of China. In these extreme environments where temperatures can drop to -30 degrees Celsius, the goats grow a dense undercoat of fine, soft hairs beneath their coarse outer coat. This undercoat is the precious cashmere fiber, providing exceptional warmth while remaining incredibly light. Each goat produces only a small amount of usable fiber every year, roughly 200 grams. For a single sweater, the fibers from 5 or more goats may be needed, while even a scarf can require the full output of one goat. This natural limitation of supply is a primary reason for cashmere's high price. The collection of these fibers is a meticulous process. Unlike regular wool, which can be shorn in bulk, the soft undercoat must be carefully separated from the coarse outer hairs during the molting season. After harvesting, the fibers are cleaned to remove grease, dirt, and thicker hairs, often reducing the usable weight by half. Globally, cashmere makes up less than 1% of the total wool production, emphasizing its rarity. Processing cashmere requires delicate handling. Fibers are first dyed and aerated to prevent clumping, then carded to align the hairs before spinning them into yarn. The finest fibers can be as thin as 14 micrometers, much thinner than typical wool, giving garments their signature softness. Any overprocessing can damage the fibers, making precision and care essential throughout. The quality of cashmere also depends on fiber length and fineness. Longer, finer fibers produce garments that are both softer and more durable. These rare fibers contribute to the higher value of premium cashmere products. Over time, the fibers naturally soften further, adding to the comfort and luxury of the material. Cashmere's versatility enhances its value. It can be spun into thick, insulating fabrics for winter wear or light, cloud-like fabrics for delicate garments. Its unique combination of warmth, lightness, and softness ensures it remains unparalleled among fibers, suitable for everything from sweaters and scarves to loungewear and beanies. Scarcity and time are also key factors. The goats produce fibers slowly, with only a single annual harvest. High-quality fibers require extensive processing to transform them into garments, from spinning and weaving to finishing. Some fibers come from goats in remote, harsh regions where environmental conditions limit availability even further. The limited supply ensures that cashmere remains rare and highly prized. Even lower-priced cashmere maintains essential qualities such as softness, warmth, and durability. The rarity of the fiber, combined with careful processing and limited availability, ensures that cashmere remains more expensive than most other textiles. Durability adds to cashmere's value. Well-cared-for fibers can last for decades and often improve in softness over time. This longevity, combined with warmth, lightness, and unmatched texture, makes cashmere a unique material. In the end, cashmere represents the perfect balance of nature, rarity, and meticulous care. Each fiber reflects extreme environments, limited production, and careful processing, culminating in a material that is soft, warm, and incredibly light. The value of cashmere lies not just in its physical properties, but also in its rarity and the intricate process required to transform it from a goat's undercoat into a luxurious textile. This extraordinary combination of scarcity, labor, and unparalleled quality is why cashmere remains one of the most expensive and treasured fibers in the world.